Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove your Trello account from your Pipedrive CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want your Trello from your Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's normal to switch over to different service providers. So maybe you need to cut off the access for your Pipedrive to Trello. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and remove Trello from your Pipedrive, here on the top right, you're going to click on this little puzzle piece icon. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and just scroll to the bottom until you see the Trello logo. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be brought to the Trello settings, as you can see right here. And in order to go ahead and delete or remove Trello from your Pipedrive, up here on the top right, click on the red uninstall button. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. Are you sure you want to uninstall Trello on your Pipedrive app? If so, click uninstall. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes and you can see Trello has been uninstalled. So now my deals inside Pipedrive are no longer going to be sent over to my Trello unless I reinstall Trello again in the future. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Trello from your Pipedrive, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.